Hello, traders and investors. This is PennyStockRain.com. Today we'll be discussing RAMO. It closed about 59% up today. This is one of the reasons why we like these stocks. You can't really find gains like 59% on the big boards. If you do, it's very rare. It's much more prevalent to find these on the OTC and the pink sheet. So this is one of the reasons why we're looking at this particular stock, and this is one of the reasons why we're going to scroll down from top to bottom and discuss uh, levels of support, levels of resistance. For instance, what the relative strength index is doing right now. The relative strength index right now is at 68, I believe, and it has been trending upwards. Now, this is not considered overbought at this particular point. I'd wait until at least 90 before I could say that it's honestly overbought. You can see right back here to right here, it has actually retraced from these particular levels. So this is something we want to watch. This is something that we need to pay close attention to. Uh, Support levels and resistance levels. We could call that a resistance level, but considering how it only happened one day, and I need a couple more days just to get a good confirmation of that, I could look at a chart going back further than what I have right now. But we're just going to stick with the short-term trend. This in particular is one of our resistance levels at this particular point. We want to scroll down and see how it actually hit a resistance level today. If it breaks out, it could retest this particular resistance level, and if it breaks above that, we could see a nice blue sky. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit more and discuss our support levels. One of our support levels is the 20-day. If you notice this white line right here, how it's moving across, that's your 20-day, and it is trending above the 20-day. Even though the moving averages are a lagging indicator, it's still an indicator nonetheless, and this is something that we want to watch, and this is something that we want to follow. Another support level, we're going to scroll this down again, is right here, around about the 50-day. Notice how this was a prior resistance level, and now that is a support level. It tested it once, and then it came back over the 20-day. And it just so happens that the 50-day moving average is right there. We're going to scroll down just a little bit further. Notice your 200-day moving average. And notice this support line right here, how it tested the support twice. Was able to bounce up. One day it had a very, very lovely day, and then it came back down. Let's look at our volume bars. Our volume bars are picking up, and that's showing interest in the stock. That's something that we want to see. It had a very, very lovely day around the 6th of this month, and we're just seeing it come back into the stock. We're seeing volume come back into the stock. That is something we want to see. Again, I am PennyStockRain.com. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence. Thank you all and have a great day.